some bad little men trying to find his way out these streets. It's some bad little men. He gon' keep pushing his dreams until he succeeds. Ain't like the way he drive these crazy cars in the 26 to the 30 feet. So wrong. You see the drip 'cause he got the sauce. On his way to the top, he don't lose control. All he gotta do is stay patient. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. It's just a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad. It's just a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad.
All right, your gang. All right, your gang. Man, look what just came in. Yes, through the UPS. Yes, sir. What your boy got up in this thing right here? Let me open it up with you guys. What your boy got up in this thing? What your boy got up in that thing? Yeah. Let me bust this thing open. Let me get up in this thing. Now I got it all over. Uh-oh, you know what, guys? Yeah, I'm gonna show you the car. Y'all thought y'all almost had me. Thought I'm finna show you this right here. Nah, y'all gotta wait till the video, man. Y'all gotta get up in the video. Please don't skip the video. Please don't skip your video. Watch and see what your boy about to do. Your boy Badlilman about to smash the gas on a new car mod. Yes, sir. Well, what up, gang? Early this morning, what we about to do to this ride here, man? About to do another serious mod to this thing, man. Say, but y'all check that out. Ooh, did that boy do that? Yeah, it did. Yes, it did. Let me tell you what we got to do today. What we finna do. I ain't never did this, man. And I ain't scared. I'm just gonna dive right on in and do it. You know, I gotta make it work. What? Come on now. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all don't know what that is, then y'all gonna see what it is when I put that thing up on that car. Wicker Bill. We got some goodies with it too. Yes, sir. Let's go and get on this journey. All right, gang. This is what we gotta do. Man, I'm finna take my drill. I got a drill bit. And I got some M6 hardware, man. This is for the wicker bill, man. And we gotta make this happen, Captain. And I don't have that, man, you guys, let me tell you about my day. My day has been real inspirational. My day pissed me off before it got started. I done went to Home Depot, Ace Hardware, Lowe's, AutoZone, everywhere, looking for that rivet gun thing. Man, they couldn't find a rivet gun. They don't know what the hell I'm talking about, so I don't know what to say. So I seen one dude on there, and I got some little goodies where he showed me what to get. But anyway, I got me a 10 millimeter, a screw, a bolt for that, something that hold on that. And we're gonna put that damn thing on there. But I'm gonna tell you what I'm finna do first. I'm finna mask and take this mug off. And once I get it mask and take off, I'm gonna put you back on. Now I got a mask to tape off. I'm gonna take my wicker bill piece and I'm gonna line it up with this camera deal right here. I'm gonna line it up, and once I line it up, I'm gonna take my pen and I'm gonna mark that hole. Then once I mark that hole, I'm gonna take my drill and I'm gonna drill that first hole, prep it up, bolt it down so I can mark all these other screws, so I can mark them on there. Then once I mark that on there, man, I just gotta show you. What's next, man. I just can't be telling you about it because then you don't want to be watching Badlilman the whole video. No, I need if you watch all that video, brother, sisters. Hold on. It's real jacked up today, guys, and this is really, I mean, this got to get better. But let me go and see if this gonna work. And if it work, I'm gonna put you back on. And if it don't work, I'm gonna let you know we got a problem. I ain't hiding nothing from you guys. We're gonna show the right thing. So y'all just hold on. I wish I had a stand. that can just hold me there, but I ain't got now. Yes, sir, that boy done drilled that hole and he done put the first ribbon in there. I say, guys, the ribbon not in there yet. So now I gotta take my screw mechanism. Where that thing at? Where that thing at, guys? I got this screw. I got a screw bolt and a 10. So now I got to make that junk tighten up in there. I got to make it. Let me get this together right quick. Now, guys, this thing gonna go like this here. I'm gonna screw that in there, and then I'm gonna tighten. And it's supposed to make it swell up, like do what it's supposed to do. But I am having a bad day right now. Like the screws that I had bought to make this thing work wasn't the right size nut, man. I feel like a nut right now. I'm talking about this is gang. Your boy done figured it out. So let me tell you guys the easy way I did. Basically, I got me a screw with a washer. And this bolt right here, let me show it to you. Where y'all at? This bolt here, it has a washer on it too. So basically, I had drilled the holes, put them in there. Then I tighten this, put that in there where it length out. Where it length out. Then you see where it's tight at right there. So let me show you what I did. Since I done been around town looking for an M6, that thing, looking for that dang gun, man. That thing had me pissed. So anyway, guys, I put the 9 on there. I put the 10 on there, and then I took this right here and I tightened it. You know, and I tighten it. I tighten it to the pusher, got all the way tight. Real tight. And now look, they in there. Yes, sir, look. Yes, sir. It's in there. All I gotta do now is take that plastic off, put them on there, put these screws on there, and the other little fixtures that come with it. Yeah, see these things here, you gotta use that's the tool you're supposed to use, a M6 tool, adapter. Yeah, about that. I was around all the way town, and some folks didn't even know what I was looking for. They kept handing me the other one, and that other one is not the one. I need the one for with the threads on it. Take this tape up off of there. Get that tape up off there. Take that other tape in. We ready to do our thing. Ready to see this thing looking pretty, man. I'm telling you guys again. I bought some washer with some nuts too, but the nuts they wasn't in the right size. So I had one in my tool bag, and that's why I found that handy thing at. So if you're doing it, that's what you're gonna need. That is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need your drill bit right there too. You're gonna need all that there. Hold on, guys. Make it easy for you. So you want to be around town. Because I done went to Home Depot, Lowe's, all that there. And they didn't have the M3 rivet threading gun. And none of that there. So basically I just got a M6 screw with a bolt. See the bolt on there with the washer? And I put another washer on there, and I put that in there. I screwed it all the way down. I screwed it all the way down until it got real tight. Real tight. Once it got real tight, exciting tight, yes sir, like that. So I had put that on there. Hold this right here in while you take the wrench and tighten, and that will pull the rivet out from the back. Keep it tight up in there. Yes sir, that's what I learned today, man. I'm talking about, man, this has been a long day just to do this right here. I've been traveling around, going different places and stuff, looking for a tool that I could have did like in 10 minutes right here at my own house. Thanks for YouTube though, man. I went on YouTube and watched this one dude. He was on there showing you how to do the rivet without the special tools needed. I said, yeah, let me jump on that right quick. So I jumped on that, and that's what he showed me. And I was like, well, man, got to be more careful. Should have paid attention to that earlier. I'm gonna put y'all back on once I get this tape off of there and get this thing screwed up on there, because the rest is simple. You just basically put these little old pieces on there, them washers, the black little pretty washers, and you screw it down, and that's gonna be a wrap. So I'll put you on when it's done, guys. Yeah, when that thing done. Man, It's your boy, bad little man, do his job. Come on, gang, gang. Did I do my job? Follow me up in the comments and tell me if I installed it like a professional. Yes, sir. I did that, man. Yes, sir. Boy, that boy there. What the bad little man think he got going on, man? This fool acting a fool out here. Fool acting that thing. That look nice too. I got some more mines finna get ready and come, man. Y'all see that thing up there? Yes, sir. But we got some more. We got some more heavenly mines coming, man. This ain't it. This ain't it. The makeover is not over. It is not done. Yes, sir. Ooh, wee. Make sure y'all hit that like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all rocking for the team. I'm about to hit the car wash. I might bring it back, show you guys when it's finished, washed up, shined up, or I might just end the video. Peace. Oh man, oh lordy. This thing right here, I got this thing now shining. Don't start that tripping camera. Don't you dare. Don't you dare do it. Ooh, take my time with it. Man, take my time. What I had to come back on. I told y'all I won't come back on and give y'all that action. With it shined up. Car looking clean, looking debonair. All the way there. Look at your group. Ooh wee. Man, got to be more careful. Why bad little man out here doing these mods like this here? Easy peasy. I made it look easy peasy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Taking it one mod at a time. One mod at a time. One mod at a time. Still got some more mods, gang. Stay tuned in. Peace. Lordy. This thing right here, I got this thing now shining. Don't start that tripping camera. Don't you dare. Don't you dare do it. Ooh, take my time with it. Man, take my time. What I had to come back on. I told y'all I won't come back on and give y'all that action. With it shined up. Car looking clean, looking debonair. All the way there. Look at your group. Ooh wee. Man, got to be more careful. Why bad little man out here doing these mods like this here? Easy peasy. I made it look easy peasy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Taking it one mod at a time. One mod at a time. One mod at a time. Still got some more mods, gang. Stay tuned in. Peace.
It's a bad little man trying to find his way out these streets. It's a bad little man. Daddy crazy, sick of the taste, he's so wrong. You see the drip, cause he got the sauce. On his way to the top, he don't lose the draw. All he gotta do is stay patient. Everybody knows he gon' make it. Stay tuned, cause this shit's so wavy. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man.